Hi, this is Ian for the Xiaomi Redmi 12C and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click once on the switcher, and after that we'll see here all of the available networks. For example, let's select one from these networks. Just here we should enter the password. To see this password, we should click here to this icon. So after that we should click to connect, wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. So by the same way, we can select here more networks, enter the passwords, just tap to connect and use them. We can switch between them when we will get, for example, the slow internet connection. So just to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click to the Wi-Fi switcher. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just open notification panel shortcuts and you'll see here Wi-Fi icon. Click on the icon once to activate the Wi-Fi and to turn it off. If you want to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.